In a world that's heavily driven by material pursuits, a spiritual awakening can feel like a fresh breeze that reconnects individuals with the essence of being. Spiritual perception often transcends the physical senses, offering a deeper understanding and a more harmonious interaction with the world around. As individuals journey through life, some may experience a shift in consciousness, heralding a spiritual awakening. Here are some signs that might indicate an enhanced spiritual perception. The first sign that you are going through a spiritual awakening is when you experience increased feelings of mindfulness. Increased mindfulness is often likened to awakening to a new dawn, where the world unveils itself in a more vivid and profound manner. It entails being wholly present in the here and now, embracing each moment with a fresh, non-judgmental awareness. As individuals cultivate mindfulness, they often notice a profound shift in their interactions with the world around them. The clamor of past regrets and future anxieties gives way to a serene acceptance and engagement with the current moment. This practice unveils a richer texture of experience as one begins to notice the subtle nuances and transient beauty of life that often go unnoticed in the hustle of routine existence. By fostering a gentle, attentive awareness, mindfulness paves the way for a deeper connection to oneself, others, and the natural flow of life, offering a sanctuary peace amidst a chaotic world. Through this enhanced perception, individuals often find a harmonious balance, a quiet joy, and a profound understanding of the interconnected tapestry of existence. The second sign of spiritual awakening is heightened intuition. Heightened intuition is akin to having an inner compass, a guiding force that leads one through the labyrinth of life with a sense of assurance and foresight. This refined intuitive sense transcends the realm of logical reasoning, tapping into a deeper, often unexplored reservoir of understanding. It's an almost instinctual awareness that often manifests as a gut feeling, a sudden insight, or a strong conviction without a clear rational basis. As one nurtures heightened intuition, there emerges a harmonious alignment with life's ebbs and flows, offering a unique clarity amidst complex situations. It's like having a silent conversation with the universe, receiving subtle hints and nudges that guide one's path. Heightened intuition can feel like a light illuminating the shadows of uncertainty, providing a clearer vision and an enriched understanding of the myriad possibilities that lie ahead. In a world that predominantly values the rational mind, cultivating and trusting one's intuition can be a profound, liberating, and empowering experience, opening doors to a more synchronized and insightful journey through life. The third sign is empathetic resonance. Empathetic resonance is a profound human capability to connect with, understand, and share the emotional states of others, almost as if their experiences reverberate within our own being. It's a deep-rooted empathic connection that transcends mere sympathy, allowing one to viscerally feel the joys, sorrows, and hopes of others. This heightened level of empathy often creates a bridge of understanding and compassion between individuals, fostering a sense of shared humanity. It's like a harmonious tune that resonates between hearts, creating a melody of interconnectedness. Empathetic resonance often softens the edges of individual ego, encouraging a more altruistic and collective perspective. As individuals experience and nurture this form of empathy, they often find themselves more open, compassionate, and responsive to the suffering and happiness of others. In a world where divisiveness can be prevalent, empathetic resonance acts as a balm, healing rifts and nurturing a culture of kindness, understanding, and mutual respect. Through this deep empathic connection, individuals are often able to contribute to a more harmonious and inclusive society, promoting a sense of unity and love amidst diversity. The fourth sign is having a sense of oneness. Having a sense of oneness is a profound, almost mystical experience where the veil of separateness lifts, revealing an intrinsic interconnectedness with all of existence. It's like beholding a vast, intricate web where every thread is interwoven with another, creating a harmonious tapestry of life. This sense of oneness often emanates from a deep understanding that at the core, all life shares the same essence, transcending the superficial distinctions that often divide humanity. It nurtures a holistic perspective where the well-being of the individual is seen in consonance with the well-being of the whole. This sense of unity can lead to profound shifts in perception and behavior, fostering altruism, compassion, and a desire to contribute positively to the world. It's a recognition of the sacredness of all life and an embrace of a larger cosmic narrative where every action, no matter how small, reverberates through the fabric of existence. This elevated awareness often brings a profound sense of peace, purpose, and a heartfelt respect for the diverse expressions of life, guiding individuals towards a more harmonious, empathetic, and enlightened existence. The fifth sign is having an elevated sense of inner peace. Elevated inner peace is often likened to a serene lake, calm and undisturbed, regardless of the storms that may rage around it. It's an inner sanctuary of tranquility that individuals can retreat to amidst the tumult of everyday life. This heightened state of peace is not merely the absence of conflict, but a profound acceptance and understanding of life's transient nature, embracing both its ebbs and flows with a composed heart. As individuals attain a level of elevated inner peace, they often find themselves less tethered to the whims of external circumstances and more rooted in a stable, internal equilibrium. This peace transcends fleeting moments of happiness or sorrow, offering a sustained sense of serenity even amidst challenges. It's a harmonious alignment with one's core being, a cultivated stillness that empowers individuals to respond to life with equanimity, grace, and wisdom. The ripple effects of this inner peace can be transformative, not only for the individual but for those around them, as it often radiates outward, fostering a nurturing, peaceful environment that encourages understanding, patience, and a harmonious coexistence. The sixth sign is experiencing synchronicities. Experiencing synchronicities can be both mystical and grounding, serving as reminders of a deeper order amidst life's apparent chaos. Synchronicities, or meaningful coincidences, occur when unrelated events harmonize in a manner that holds personal significance, often evoking a sense of wonder and contemplation. Unlike mere coincidences, synchronicities carry a resonance of meaning that speaks to the interconnectedness of all things. They often appear at pivotal moments in one's life, serving as gentle nudges, affirmations, or guiding signals on the journey. The experience of synchronicities can feel like a whisper from the universe, a poetic dialogue between the individual and the fabric of existence. It invites one to look beyond the surface, to explore the subtle interplay of forces that orchestrate the dance of life. For those attuned to recognizing these meaningful alignments, synchronicities can enrich the journey with a sense of magic, purpose, and a deeper understanding of life's mysterious interconnected flow. They beckon individuals to remain open, observant, and receptive to the endless possibilities that unfold in the grand tapestry of existence, nurturing a profound appreciation for the unseen choreography that weaves through the mundane and the magnificent alike. The seventh sign is experiencing unconditional love. Embracing unconditional love through understanding is a transformative journey that often starts with a seed of compassion and blossoms into a boundless garden of love. As individuals delve deeper into understanding the intricacies of human experiences and the core essence that binds us all, the barriers of judgment and prejudice often crumble. This deeper understanding nurtures a fertile ground where love can flourish unconditionally, unfettered by the usual constraints of ego, expectations, or reciprocity. It's a kind of love that doesn't discriminate, a love that embraces all of life with an open heart and a gentle acceptance. The essence of this love is often reflective of a profound understanding of the inherent worth and interconnectedness of all beings. As this understanding deepens, individuals often find themselves capable of extending love even in situations where it might have seemed impossible before. This form of love has a healing touch. It seeks to comfort, uplift, and celebrate life in all its diverse expressions. Unconditional love, through understanding, often acts as a beacon of hope, fostering healing, reconciliation, and a harmonious coexistence. It's a journey towards embodying a love that's as vast and boundless as the cosmos. A love that resonates with the timeless wisdom of unity, compassion, and the inexorable bond that links us all in the grand dance of existence. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey of spiritual awakening is as diverse as humanity itself. It may not adhere strictly to these signs and is often a gradual unveiling rather than a one-time event. It requires patience, an open heart, and a willingness to engage in self-reflection. Through this nurturing soil, the seeds of spiritual awareness can flourish, leading to a richer and more fulfilling life experience. As we venture on this remarkable journey, let us remember that every step taken towards heightened spiritual perception is a step towards a harmonious, insightful, and love-filled existence.